the day that you both will tell us and to the rest of the world that forever exists. Kasi maraming hindi naniwala sa forever. And forever can be a choice that everyone can also embark.
As you all know, it took us 17 years before this wedding, before this special day. And maraming nangyari, maraming pagkakataon na sinubok kami ng tadhana para mapatunayan sa inyo na my forever.
Don't wait for someone to tell you it's too late, 'cause these are the best days. There's always something tomorrow, so I say let's make the best of tonight. Here comes the rest of our lives.
Ano daw? Thank you.
Welcome.
My husband, aside from the trip I promised you before, here's another one for the books. Because 2 honeymoon is better than 1. See you later. I love you. Love, Justine.
What's that?
What's that?
What's this?
I don't know.
I don't know. I'm pinatawa kasi darling. I want you to take this token which signifies the existence of our true relationship. See you later. I love you.
I love you! Father ko pa. Ibig sabihin, parang na-feel ko yung presence niya. Physically man mo siyang wala, nararamdaman kong nandito lang. Salamat. Salamat sa lahat. Salamat sa pag-aalaga. Salamat sa sakripisyo. Miss you, tatay.
Iyak na! Ay, ate! Pinapayak mo ako eh! Chat na lang tayo. I-chat ko na lang. Ano ba? Same thing lang din na para sa lola at mga lolo at lola ko. Na sana nandito sila. Kasi matagal na rin. So, sana lang, sayang lang hindi nila nakita. Pero alam ko naman na nakikita nila kami dito. At saka nandito rin sila by heart.
Justin Nicole, do you take Pierre Edward here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Father.
Pierre Edward, do you take Justin Nicole here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Father.
Don't wait, 'cause no one can tell you it's too late, 'cause these are the best days. There's always something tomorrow, so I say let's make the best of tonight. Yeah, let's make the
This is
best
a day,
of tonight.
Pierre and Justin, that you can be proud of yourselves that you have made this far, that you have loved one another truly and
Here
faithfully.
comes the rest
Truthfully
of
and
our
faithfully.
lives.
Dear friends, now we give a round of applause to our newly married couple, Pierre Edward and Justin Nicole.
You are my universe, and I just want to put you first. And you are my universe, and
My husband. Yeah, my husband. We've been together for more than half of my life. At sa bawat tanong nila, bakit hindi pa kayo kinakasal? Sa isip ko, baka may plans si God sa atin. God has designed our long-term relationship to prepare us for our purpose. And that is to build our own family, which I am excited about.
baby, you are my universe, and I just want to put you first. You are my universe, and you light up inside my universe, my universe, my universe.
And with that, I promise to be with you till our last breath. You will always have me, and I will always have you. At sa mundong puro siguro, ikaw lang ang sigurado ko. I love you, my husband, and just like the anime Pokemon tagline, Pierre, I choose you.
Still the one. Looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. Might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one.
You've seen my unfiltered side, and I am so grateful for accepting my flaws as a person and as a partner. Thank you for being a good man, not only to me but to my family as well. What you've done will inspire me for years in many
We
ways.
would be missing. They said, I bet they'll never make it. But just look at us holding on. We're still together, still going strong. Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one.
I promise to be patient and let down on my guard every time an argument arises between us. And I am here to celebrate with our little success in life. And as your husband, I vow to you to be best in everything. And promise to love you loyally for as long as I live. Pangako, ikaw lang ang mamahalin, ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko magpakailanman. Mahal na mahal kita, wife ko. Salamat sa lahat.
Still the one I run to, the one that I belong to. Still the one I want for life. Still the one that I love, the only one I dream of. Still the one I kiss goodnight. Still the one.
Brothers and sisters, may I present to you the newly married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Pierre Edward and Justin Nicole.